Hello guys, today we're taking a look at the AOC Agon Pro PD34, a 34-inch QHD ultra-wide gaming monitor designed for serious performance and premium style. This model features a QD OLED panel that delivers incredibly vibrant colors and true deep blacks, making everything from AAA games to creative projects look stunning. With a 3440 x 1440 resolution, and a 21:9 ultra-wide aspect ratio, you get an expansive field of view that feels immersive and cinematic. Performance is where this monitor really stands out. It offers a blazing 240 Hz refresh rate paired with an ultra-fast 0.3 milliseconds response time, giving you incredibly smooth motion and sharp responsiveness. Fast-paced shooters and racing games feel fluid, and NVIDIA G-Sync compatibility helps eliminate screen tearing for a cleaner experience. The 1800R curve gently wraps around your vision, pulling you deeper into gameplay, while the adjustable stand lets you fine-tune your viewing position for long sessions. Built-in speakers with enhanced audio support add convenience for everyday use. It does sit in the premium price range, but that reflects the high-end panel and performance. Overall, this is a powerful ultra-wide built for gamers and creators who want top-tier visuals and speed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.